Hi, I'm Becky Buttons with buttonmakers.net, and today I have myself a Neil Enterprise machine to fix. We don't carry this machine, so I normally don't fix these, but I had a customer walk in who had one. I sent her out the door with a ProMaker to replace this one, and I asked to keep it to see if I could fix it. So I've never actually worked with one of these before, but I know enough about how it should work that I think I can see what's wrong with it and probably fix it. We'll see. But I did find out that these machines do work with our supplies. So if you have yourself a Neil Enterprise machine, and especially if this video helps you at all, please buy your button supplies from me at buttonmakers.net. So firstly, I can tell right away that these pins are not supposed to be bent like this. What they're supposed to do is, as this thing slides back and forth, they're supposed to move this upper die into the proper position. So them just being bent like this is the first thing I'm gonna try to fix. All right, well, so I was not successful in actually removing the positioning rods and banging them back into shape. I couldn't get them off because I couldn't get the screwdriver in at the right angle, and I was starting to strip the screw. So instead I just used some brute force to force these pins right here back into shape. And now it's positioning the upper die properly. The next thing I need to do is figure out why it's jamming on every single pull. Usually the reason that happens is that there is some major gouges or some kind of thing in there that's causing it to hang up every time, but I don't see anything like that on this machine. So my next step is just gonna be to lube it up. Here at Button Makers, we like to use the food grade silicone-based machine lubricant in the spray form. We find that gets down in the nooks and crannies and crevices real good, and just helps to smooth out whatever, issues are happening with the metal. All right, well, lubrication seems to have fixed that die sticking problem. Now I'm gonna test it with some button supplies and see if I can make a successful button. Okie dokie, well, the lubrication seemed to work on those upper dies, and I got myself a Neil Enterprise machine fixed and up and running again. So if this video helped you out at all, please like and subscribe or leave a comment below, or best of all, buy your button supplies from buttonmakers.net. Thanks.